What is going on, guys? My name is Tyler and this is Everyday EDC. Today we have an unboxing for you. So without further ado, let's just get into this. This is my unboxing knife for the day. This is my Hinderer XM18 3-inch. My hands are dirty. Don't judge, it's actually for the channel. I was doing something that I might be releasing here soon, the results, but I stumbled onto something that I feel like is pretty new as far as, I'm not telling you anymore. Basically, I can be your hero, baby. What's going on here? It's just gliding off. Shit, this is like some tough stuff, or this knife got dull all of a sudden. What is going on? What is going on? Oh, that was cardboard. That makes sense. Okay. It's a weird piece of tape. Thought I was cutting down the middle of it. Turns out it was cardboard underneath. Oh, there it is. Ooh, there he is. Ooh, there he is, Peter. So today, we have an unboxing of another Hinderer. Go figure, right? I promise, guys, this one is mine, but this is gonna be the last one that is mine. I have satisfied the itch. I no longer have a want to get any more, at least at this point in time. I have my two users. I've never wanted to collect Hinderers necessarily. I've just wanted to feel the different models. And I have my 3-inch, my 3.5-inch. I have a Jurassic that may or may not stay, just depending. And then I have this. This guy was obtained in a trade. Yes, I did that when I sold one of my other Hinderers, the modified penny. That's awesome. I actually have a tool that I got, so I don't need the modified penny anymore, but I appreciate the thought. All right. This guy, ladies and gentlemen, is the infamous Hinderer Eclipse. Oh yeah, yeah, it's used, it's all right. I don't care, I'm gonna use it, so, if I like it. Oh, wow. All right, so first and foremost, centering's dead nuts on. Blade stock looks really thick. Look at that clearance. There's like no clearance on either side for that knife, or for that blade. That's insane. This is a much smaller knife than I had anticipated. Not smaller in the sense of just small. It's just like, I guess I expected it to be, you know, here it is up next to the 3-inch and 3.5. It's just about the same size as the 3.5, maybe a tad bit shorter. And then to round out the family here, keeping it all in the family. The Eclipse is actually about, like, more discreet than the Jurassic, which I find interesting. So, here's your Jurassic. Here's your 3-inch Skinner. Here's your 3.5-inch sheep's foot. And now for the flip. Can we just reverse flick it out the gate? Oh gosh, that is the easiest one to reverse flick. What? 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 Oh man. I'm gonna tighten this up just a little bit. I feel like there's a little bit of cold air that kind of caused it to cinch back. Let's see here. I'm just gonna give it just a little tug here just to make sure that it's not my own brain messing with me. Might not be able to adjust it on camera. There's no back and forth at all. It's like, it's on the verge though, right? Like the dude's got it tuned perfectly. So ergonomically, I actually really like it. The lock bar is just ridiculous as far as how light it is. And I love that about Hinderers. You got this really light lock bar. That doesn't mean it's gonna slip off, right? There's no slippage here due to that geometry. It's just so easy to disengage. The flipper works fantastic. Oh man, and you guys know me, I am not a Tonto guy, okay? But I think the aesthetic lines of this actually work. I think it's pretty damn gorgeous looking, and it kind of rounds off the collection. I got a sheep's foot, I got the Skinner, I got the drops point, and then I got the Tonto. Whew. Oh man, all right, let's take a look at this. Here's the finish. He said he did redo. Oh, wow. He said he did redo the edge. So kudos to him because that edge looks married pretty well. Look at that. He did a pretty damn good job. So at first I was a little concerned that he said he had to resharpen it, so the grind wasn't right or something, but nope. I think it's gorgeous. Very gorgeous. This is a badass knife, guys. So this is the Hinderer Eclipse. All right, so just for a heads up, I did trade my Vero Isotope for this. Reason being is the Vero Isotope, I'm not sure if I even did a video on it before it left. I think I did. But basically, the Vero Isotope is an amazing knife. I love it. But it fits into a category that I don't understand. It's a very large, classy knife, which I just never see an actual need for a large, classy knife. If you're gonna have a classy knife, it needs to be discreet, easy to carry. It wasn't that, but it's not like a knife that, it was too beautiful for me to want to take and just abuse. All right, guys, that is all I got for you guys today. Today we received the Hinderer Eclipse. And then we had a little Hinderer party. My name is Tyler. This is Everyday EDC. You guys stay sharp, stay safe, and have a great freaking rest of your day. Thanks for watching, guys.